Hi there! Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of previewing and exporting your projects in Saola Animate. Preview is an important part of the editing process, as it allows you to review your work and notice any required change. For animations, you can preview them on the timeline, right in the editor. You click the play/stop button to play and pause the animation preview, or press the space bar. For interactions, events, actions, and triggers will not work when you preview in the editor. To test them, you must preview in the browser. The app supports two modes to preview your work. They are to preview the current scene and to preview the whole project, both in default browser. You can access these two commands through the File menu or through the two buttons on the dockable toolbar. Once you've completed a project, the last step is to export it to HTML5. To export a project, on the toolbar, click the Export to HTML5 button. The containing folder will be automatically created in the project location, but you can choose to save the output in different directory. After exporting a project, you can choose to open either the HTML5 file or the containing folder. You can see that there are a resources folder that contains all resource files, a HTML file, and two JS files. Double-click the HTML file to open it in browser. Saola Animate also supports exporting project to video format. In Saola Animate, the duration of the exported video is the total duration of scene transitions and main timeline duration of all scenes in a project. Note that interactive elements may not be preserved in the exported video. When all things are considered, you click on the Export to Video button in the toolbar. Specify the size, format, and location of the output video. Click OK to export. So previewing your project and exporting it to video or HTML5 in Saola Animate is as simple as that.